So we've come to the first icon, as it were, the first station. All the birds had flown. Tell us about this painting, Anne.
Well, this is really the beginning of the journey, and in this painting we have the Last Supper table. It's empty, it's pristine, it's almost tomb-like. Propped on it is a kind of mirror, or it could be a screen. And through the screen you see an olive grove, which is warm and welcoming. I tried to put myself in Christ's place and think about this sense of total isolation, desolation, loneliness that he must have felt at this point, whereby he is deserted by his friends, his disciples vanish. And at this moment, I've made the idea that he might stand looking over the Last Supper table within his mind the olive grove. And the tradition in olive growth is that you place the nets beneath. And so we have these orange nets beneath the trees that we see in the distance, and there's no one to harvest the olives, or the birds, all the helpers, all the workers, all the friends have flown. So it's really about this sense of isolation. An interesting thing about the painting is there's a double frame. We're pinned to the outside frame. We are the observers. We're observing this, and we're very aware of it. The cloth touches the bottom of the frame. And then we have the inner frame, and so we have this kind of double sense of estrangement, and it's untouchable, this view beyond. So it's all about that sort of feeling.
It's superb, and I am so pleased that it's here, in the chancel, by our high altar. What more fitting place for our first station. Thank you, Anne.